Minecraft is a pretty easy game. It is made for children after all. However, there is one aspect of Minecraft that many find difficult, and that is building. See, most people have good ideas and can visualize masterpieces. But when they actually try to build those masterpieces, they become masterpieces of shit. With this in mind, I want to share a handful of easy tips and tricks so your builds can become more fancy. To begin, stop building on the ground. What are you, a peasant? No, you need to assert dominance over your proletariat subjects, and the best way to do that is height. Elevating your bases with fences, blocks, or pillars all can serve to improve your build. Building multiple stories is even better as you demonstrate you have no lack of resources as you tower above the puny lower class. The most blatant tip I can give you is to stop using torches. Like honestly, what are you, a caveman? No. The better choice, the fancier choice, is to make lots of big windows for that natural light. Or perhaps use glowstone, sea lanterns, redstone lamps, or my personal favorite, magma blocks. Much better, much fancier. Next, flaunt your wealth. Try making a map of the lands you own and putting it in an item frame right in front of your bed. This way, every time you go to sleep, you can gaze upon your fertile and prosperous lands. Another great idea is to place diamonds and gold in item frames outside your base to show the serfs you are so filthy rich you don't even care if they get stolen. Lots of insecure Minecraft players like to hide their diamonds in chests. You're not insecure. It doesn't matter to you. After that, create defenses. This can include iron golems to patrol the area, a high fence to keep the unwanted out, snow golems and guard towers, guard dogs in front of the entrance, and a lava moat can all serve to make your base not only fancy, but well guarded. Lastly, you need to build fluff rooms. No, not that kind of fluff, but fluff as in useless. I mean, sure, technically this base has everything you need for survival, but is it fancy? No, you need to add a bathroom. Stairs? Never heard of her. Make an elevator. How about an underground swimming pool? Or a movie theater where you can watch all of my videos. In fact, why don't you go do so right now? If you enjoyed, like and subscribe for more content. Now get out of my house.